In this video, we show how to replace front expansion riser 3 in a PowerEdge R570. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. To remove front expansion riser 3 with the cover, air shrouds, a fan cage assembly, as well as drive back and cover removed, disconnect the cable and unroute it from the HPM. Then open the sidewall retaining clip. Then loosen the captive screw that secures it in place. And slide it out of the front of the system, carefully routing the cable through the opening. To install front expansion riser 3, carefully slide the cable through the opening and slide the expansion riser all the way in, and then tighten the captive screw to secure it in place. Then reroute the cables. And then reconnect the cable to the HPM. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R570, visit dell.com/support.